What's up everybody? It is Uncle Mad. We are in the kitchen. We are doing tacos. Don't really have a plan for these. I'm kind of winging them, so we'll see how we go. We'll make some rice. I don't know why I bought this rice. We're gonna do this. That's gonna go with it. And the tacos themselves are gonna be shrimp. I don't really have a plan. I'm gonna lie. That's a lie. I have sort of a plan. We're gonna see how it turns out though. Let's go. Tacos. All right, first thing we're gonna do is make a quick slaw to go with the tacos. Mayo, just got kind of generic slaw mix from the store here. A little Valienta hot sauce in there. Mix some of that in. A little lime juice for the dressing for the slaw. The salt, pepper, and garlic blend. I pretty much use this on everything at this point. This is like my go-to seasoning. It's like a little blend I made myself because it's the 3 keys. Stir all that together. Into the slaw we go. Taste as you go. I'm gonna throw a little more salt, a little more mayo in. Alright, we're gonna cook the shells first. Because shrimp, it's only gonna take like 3-4 minutes tops to top to cook, even that. So I want the cheese. I'm gonna use these Chihuahua cheese. I'd never heard of this. And then all of a sudden I see it on every like Mexican restaurant menu I go to. And then I saw it at the store and I was like, where did this come from? Was I just blind that this is the cheese I've been eating all this time? Got the Chihuahua cheese. We're gonna put it on the shells. I'm gonna let it melt in the shells while they toast. So that's the plan with this. Alright, time for the shrimp. I actually just kind of put a little of the enchilada sauce in the shrimp bag. I use the bag as like the tossing method. Salt, pepper, garlic blend in there. So a little oil down. Just gonna throw this down. Shouldn't take very long at all to cook. Good. Now it's just time to build the tacos. Got a little sliced avocado that we seasoned up with salt and pepper. We're gonna throw in there. Yes. Shrimps. Gonna throw a little bit of cojita cheese just because I happen to have it on there, just to add a little more cheesiness, because why not? Get the slaw, and voila, shrimp taco. All right, here we have it, meal prepared. I also use the leftover enchilada sauce as a dipping. We'll see how that turns out. I'm gonna try the rice first. This is just your basic like pre-portioned, pre-made rice. Basic instruction. I didn't do anything fancy with this. Pretty good. Probably needs a little salt on that. All right, we'll go taco time now. Dip. Well, food. I clearly overstuffed these tacos. There's too much in them, but what's in there is all good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. All right, so we're all done. That was a fabulous meal, but this is often the case of like a meal like that where I just kind of threw it together last minute. Made way too much food. I'm way too stuffed there. The rice was surprisingly good for something that was just like a pre-batch, pre-made kit type thing. So shout out, you know, Kroger, whoever the heck that came from, because that was actually really, really good. Tacos turned out really good. Probably put a little too much in each one of them. Like I said, made way too much food. That's always what happens when I don't. The things I like about Blue Apron is you get exactly the amount of food you need. Never seem to have like extra food or like too much leftovers. So, but it was good. Another taco meal in the books. Tacos, I mean, you just can't go wrong with tacos. Just should make tacos every meal pretty much. But thanks for watching. We'll have more content coming as always. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel with the bell turned on for notifications so you don't miss anything. And I will see you in the next one.